nervous right now because I am, whoa, what the fuck? Okay, I just got a swatch on my forehead. I am gonna prank Jordan. And I seen this prank on Gold Juice and it was so hilarious. So I was like, why not do it on Jordan? So pretty much I'm just gonna pretend like I'm coughing up blood. I got some vampire blood. This blood looks real, but then it starts to look fake, so I have to do this fast. He's not home yet, but when he's home, y'all are gonna see. I'm texting him right now, and I'm like, oh, my throat hurts so bad. My chest burns. Just some bullshit. He's on his way home. This is gonna be so...
Babe. What happened?
I'm scared.
What's wrong? Come on, let's go. Let's go. No, babe, it's alright. Dude, you're retarded. I almost called the cops. Yeah, real hilarious when the cops call me back, you idiot.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Like that shit's funny. Hey, that's not funny. It's not. It wouldn't be the first time I found her on the bathroom floor crying.
Does this look real or what?
Oh, I didn't fucking look at your face, I just seen your hands. Jordan, poor guy, he almost gave him a heart attack.
He drinks a lot of Red Bulls, he's probably got a weak heart.
I do have a weak heart. Hey, Mom,
Yes, I think you're in again.
I didn't think you would either. Hey,
I'm proud.
Hey, he does have a heart. I did call the cops. I'm like, I hope they don't call me back.
They will.
Yeah, they do call you back.
They did? You did?
Yeah, you retard. Well, I'm not gonna make it to the hospital on time if you're fucking coughing up blood. You're probably dying.
I'm such a good actor.
Is that them?
No,
No.
my bad.
Alright, they're just gonna show up.
Yeah, sure. Hey,
They do that too.
hey, all stressed out. Hey, me and Chad running out the back sliding door. Hey, what the fuck you idiots running for?
Wouldn't that be funny? They show up and hey, you open the door. He's got a gun. They caught me 5 times. I'm all bleeding all over the place. Go to the kitchen, bleed out.
Alright, well, you getting shot. Hey, go on.
Trying to figure out how to take this off. Happy October, guys.